back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and today's job lead provides you the computer equipment you need to get started, doesn't require any kind of degree, and it is in the healthcare field. But real quickly, just know that the links to this, if you are interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below. And as always, if this job lead is not for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out here searching for job leads to share. But the company Cardinal Health is hiring a remote customer care specialist. Now, this is in the United States. And a customer care specialist is just what it sounds like. You'll be responsible for providing customer assistance, including but not limited to people doing order placement, product information, order status or order discrepancies, and customer complaints. You'll be taking anywhere from 60 to 80 incoming calls a day. So this is a phone call center type job. You'll answer incoming phone calls from customers, caregivers, and referral sources regarding different medicines and medical supplies. You'll have to be able to handle that high call volume. You'll have to be able to navigate multiple computer programs throughout the day, process orders for new and existing customers, and of course, use provided resources to navigate through any customer concerns. Now, even if your ultimate goal is a non-phone healthcare job, customer service is a way to get your foot in the door and get that experience you need. This one does not require any kind of college degree. It just requires a high school diploma, GED, or equivalent. They do prefer 2 to 4 years of experience, but again, that is not required. Someone who can use Microsoft Office computer systems, someone who can wow with their customer service skills, have great communication skills, active listening skills, and great phone etiquette with great attention to detail. Now, this position does pay $16.75 an hour. It does include a benefit package, including medical, dental, vision, that starts on day one of employment. You get a 401k with a company match, and you also get paid time off. Now, one thing to note, you will have to have a quiet place to work in your house and at least 50 Mbps internet speed. They're going to provide the computer equipment that you need to successfully perform the job, and they also offer training. Paid training will take place Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you need to convert, if you don't live in that time zone, to your hours to that time zone to see if that works for you. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As the new year is upon us, I'm trying to do something different with the channel and provide even more work from home job leads to you. So I'm asking if you have any suggestions of anything that I can do differently, please leave any of your constructive feedback below, as I am always just wanting to be helpful, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.